ready to capture every epic moment, no matter where your adventures take you? We've tested the hottest action cameras of 2025, and today I'm breaking down which one truly rules the wild. Whether you're a vlogger, an adrenaline junkie, or just want to record your next family trip, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which camera you think is the best fit for you. Your feedback helps the channel and helps others make the right choice too. Alright, let's jump into the list. Number 1. GoPro Hero13 Black. The GoPro Hero13 Black is still a top pick for creators who want premium features without paying the latest model price. Unlike the Hero 12, which dropped GPS, the Hero13 Black keeps this essential feature built in, so you don't need any extra devices to track your adventures. You get 5.3K video, hyper smooth, 5.0 stabilization, horizon lock, and a unique 8:7 aspect ratio. This nearly square format captures every pixel from the 23 megapixel sensor, letting you crop for portrait, landscape, or square social posts, all from a single video. If you prefer a more traditional look, you can switch to 16:9 or even grab 27 megapixel stills from your footage. The design is classic GoPro, but the software is now more user-friendly, and the quick app makes editing and sharing a breeze. You'll also find handy features like hindsight, which records 30 seconds before you hit the shutter, plus live streaming and webcam mode for those who want to go live or use their GoPro for video calls. Stabilization is best in class, though low light can still be a challenge. Overall, the Hero13 Black is perfect for creators who want flexibility, high-quality video, and reliable performance, without paying for features they don't need. If you want a proven camera that's still relevant in 2025, this is a solid choice. Number 2. Insta360 X5. Aiming an action camera during fast-paced moments can be tricky, but what if you could choose your angle after filming? That's the magic of a 360-degree camera. With dual lenses and smart stitching, a 360 camera like the Insta360 X5 captures everything around you, eliminating the need to perfectly aim or even worry about selfie sticks in your shot. The Insta360 X5 isn't just a resolution upgrade over the X3, it's also tougher. While the X3 and X4 are waterproof to 10 meters, the X5 goes deeper and features user-replaceable lenses and removable lens covers for extra protection, so you don't have to worry about scratches or damage on your adventures. One of my favorite ways to use this camera is with Insta360's bike mount, which positions the camera in front of your bike for stunning drone-like footage. Sync it with your phone, and you can overlay GPS data, like a speedometer, right onto your videos using the Insta360 app. Editing is easy too. The Insta360 app lets you reframe shots or use AI tracking, and there are desktop tools and plugins for pro editing. The result? The X5 delivers unique action shots and creative angles that truly set your footage apart. If you want to capture everything and decide on the best angle later, this is the camera for you. Number 3. Akaso Brave 7 LE. The Akaso Brave 7 LE stands out as a budget-friendly action camera, making it a top pick for vloggers and a strong GoPro alternative. It records crisp 4K video and features a surprisingly effective 6-axis stabilization system, especially for its price. While you can't shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, only 30 frames per second, the frame rate is more than enough for most vlogging needs. If you want smoother, high-speed footage, you can switch to 2.7K at 60 frames per second, so you don't have to drop all the way to 1080p. For most situations, 30 frames per second at 4K works just fine, and you can always sharpen your footage a bit in post if needed. The front-facing screen is perfect for vlogging, though the camera's compact size might take some getting used to. Keep in mind, the Brave 7 LE offers only minimal waterproofing without a case, so be careful before taking it for a swim. Still, for the price, you get a lot of value. remote control, dual screens, and a bunch of included accessories. Overall, the Akaso Brave 7 LE delivers a GoPro-like experience at a fraction of the price, making it a great choice for budget-conscious creators. Number 4. GoPro Hero13. Black GoPro's yearly release cycle hasn't always benefited the Hero Black series, and the Hero 12 was a clear example, losing built-in GPS and falling behind DJI in low-light performance, with few real upgrades. Thankfully, the latest model brings GPS back and introduces a smart lens detection system, making lens swaps easier and unlocking more creative options. While the image sensor remains unchanged, the Hero Black still delivers impressive 5.3K resolution and good lighting. The new lens mods are now easier to use, with the camera automatically adjusting settings and even warning you if your ND filter isn't right, making it simpler to achieve perfect motion blur. Plus, a 21:9 anamorphic lens is on the way, which is great news for filmmakers. You also get a 400 frames per second, slow motion burst at 720p, which is fun for dramatic moments, though not ideal for high-res screens. The 27-megapixel camera and adaptable 8:7 sensor are perfect for creators who want to reframe content for different platforms, and the new lens mod offers up to a 177-degree field of view. Other features include a magnetic mount, headphone narration, time code sync, and GP log support for advanced color grading. Just be aware, GoPro pushes its subscription services hard, so factor that into your decision. If you want the latest and greatest from GoPro, the Hero13 Black is the one to get. Number 5. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Osmo Action 5 Pro sets a new standard for action cameras, bringing true 10-bit video and a unique pressure sensor for altitude and depth. Features you won't find on any GoPro. While GoPro has tried to stand out with magnetic mounts and lens mods, DJI's sensor technology is simply ahead of the game. The Action 5 Pro delivers stunning, stabilized 4K video and is built tough, handling rough conditions, extreme temperatures, and diving up to 20 meters without a case. Its larger 1/1.3-inch sensor outperforms GoPro in low light, making it more versatile for all kinds of adventures. DJI's latest upgrades include faster processing, improved OLED screens, and a smart tracking feature that keeps you centered in the frame. No gimbal required. The new pressure sensor, combined with GPS data from your Apple Watch or DJI's remote, adds detailed positioning info to your footage, perfect for cavers, divers, and explorers. Despite GoPro's higher 5.3K resolution, most viewing is in 4K, and DJI's superior sensor makes the real difference. So, which is the best? For unbeatable image quality, rugged design, and next-level features, the GoPro Hero13 Black takes the crown in 2025. If you want the ultimate action camera, that's the one to grab. But honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these picks. They're all fantastic in their own way. Let me know which one you'd choose in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.